Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Professor Hassan and you are watching my channel Professor Hassan Hamaयूं. आज स्पोकन इंग्लिश कोर्स के क्लास 1 में हम डिस्कस करेंगे बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक वर्क। मैं आपके साथ बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करूंगा जो आज रोज़मर्रा ज़िंदगी में पूछे जाते हैं, बोले जाते हैं। आज के लेक्चर स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि अगर अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक और शेयर करें और बेल आइकन को ज़रूर क्लिक करें ताकि आपको मेरी नेक्स्ट वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशंस मिलते रहें। लेट्स स्टार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज़ व्हाट इज़ योर जॉब? आपका काम क्या है? आप क्या काम करते हैं? आई टीच इन एन अकेडमी, आई टीच इन अ स्कूल, I teach in a college, I teach in a university, I work in a company, I am a supervisor in a company, I am running a business of my father, I run a business, I sell chocolates, I sell different household items, I sell spare parts of the bike, I sell spare parts of the car. All these answers can be given for the question what do you do, what's your job. Question number 2, what responsibilities do you have at work? आपकी ज़िम्मेदारियाँ क्या हैं? I am head of department in the college, I check the attendance of the students, I check the attendance of the staff, I check the attendance of the teachers, I deliver lectures, I solve the problems of the staff members. I am a supervisor in a company. I check the quality of the work in the company. Question number 3. Why did you choose that job? Teaching is my profession. That's my passion. I love teaching. My father was a teacher. He was a professor. He advised me that I should become a teacher. I want to increase the knowledge of the students. I want to make them a pious man. I want to make them a noble man. Teaching is a reasonable job. Teaching is a good job. That's why I adopted that profession. It's easy to teach. It's a very good thing to teach. I love teaching. I like teaching. Question number 4. Do you like your job? Yes, I like my job. I like to teach the students. When a student asks a question from me, I feel amusement. I want to give the answer to the students. I want to enhance their knowledge. I want to increase their knowledge. That's why I like my job. I feel easy in teaching. I feel satisfied and contented whenever I teach to the students. Question number 5. What was your first day like? On the very first day, I went to a school for teaching interview and I showed my documents, my degrees to the HM, headmistress of the school, and she was saying that don't show me all these documents, just come with me in the class and deliver a lecture over there. I went over there in the class, that was class 7 for mathematics. I taught there and I delivered a very good lecture. I delivered a lecture in an impressive way. I delivered a good lecture and the students were impressed from me, from my teaching style, and I was selected. And I was a little confused, but I hold my nerves and I taught impressively. That's why I was selected. Now question number 6 is, do you get on well with your colleagues? Yes, I have good relations with my colleagues. I respect them, they respect me. I help them whenever they need it and they help me whenever I need it from them. We have a very good relation. Whenever I have free time, I talk to them. We eat together, we play together, we discuss different issues in our free time. We are like our family members. They visit my home, I visit their homes. I have a very good relationship with all of my colleagues. Question number 7. Do you plan to continue with job in the future? Yes, inshallah, I will continue my job in the same institute because I have a handsome salary package over here. The owner of that company, the owner of that factory, the owner of that institute is a nice person. He gives us handsome salary package and the workload is a suitable one. And the atmosphere is pleasant. That's really awesome, and all the colleagues are very good, and I feel satisfaction over there whenever I teach in that institute, and I will continue my job in the same institute. Question number 8: if you had the chance, would you change your job? Actually, my profession is teaching. I will never ever change my profession. But if I had better opportunities in any other institute, I can move over there. I can join that institute. Assalamu alaikum.